Hello, my awesome YouTubers. So, yes, I am back from my vacation and I will be starting to put out some more content on Monday. I actually have a lot of things to get downloaded and unpacked and unzipped and uploaded and put together. There's all kinds of footage and pictures that I have from my vacation. It was really great to get away, to kind of reset, which is something that you absolutely need to do when you do content creation, when you're working regular jobs. It doesn't matter what you do in life, you have to take periods of time to make sure you take care of yourself. And sometimes a nice little reset is all you really need. I did have some people commenting on some of my videos while I was away that I responded to. And I really appreciate you guys interacting on the videos. And I really appreciate the new subscribers that have come on and some of the encouraging words. So listen, you don't know how much that means to me, and thank you so much. I will be starting some more content, like I say, on Monday. I do have to go back to work tomorrow, but I don't have all my equipment still unboxed and unpacked from my trip. But it was an amazing time, and I definitely feel refreshed and ready to go. So thank you for sticking around and bearing with me on this little reset, and we will see you on Monday.